It's Valentine season, and hopeless romantic as I am, I've been wondering, how do you tell someone that you love them without actually saying I love you?
ยากจังเลยอ่ะคิดมา3 วันนะ
So what I feel for you is real, and I'm here to stay.
I need you. I need you. You're everything.
โอ้บอกรักยังไงโดยไม่ต้องบอกพูดคำว่ารักกินข้าวแล้วยังอะไรอย่างนี้กินข้าวไหมกินข้าวด้วยกันไหม
ก็เป็นคนชอบทำกับข้าวเนาะชอบทำอาหารดังนั้นถ้าจะบอกรักใครก็ส่วนใหญ่ก็จะทำของให้กินทำเค้กทำขนมหรือว่าทำกับข้าวไปฝากค่ะและนี่คือพิเศษแล้วค่ะ
Maybe things that you do for them to help them so that way you could show your affection.
It's more like a things you do for them, right?
Yes, you could be helpful. You could, if they need it, teach them something if they need that, or give them directions. Just make their life easier.
I'd make their favorite meal. Or if they said sometime that there was something that they loved, like I really love pistachios, I would give them pistachios. Yeah.
As for me, love, kiss on the forehead, I consider as one of the beautiful things. And if I'm not kissing the favorite person, it's like only friendship. So for me that is one thing, and the second and most important, I love food. So if somebody have a good food taste, then I make them happy with the food. That's it. Thank you.
Well, the first thing that comes to mind is that you treat them very, very well. Make sure that she knows, without having me speak to her, that she's the most important thing in the whole world by the way you talk, the way you treat her. And then it happens naturally after that.
So it's kind of old school, right?
Very old.
So when I think about that, I am not thinking of a romantic type of love. I think about my kids and my family, and so the way that I showed them that I love them is through being supportive and being present for them. I asked my son and my daughter-in-law in advance what they were going to be doing for Valentine's Day weekend, and I made plans to fly and see them in Santa Clara so that they can go away overnight together and I can stay with my granddaughter and have fun with her. And so by being there for them and for my granddaughter, they can have time away and be together alone, and I can spend time with my granddaughter, and everybody will love each other.
How do you tell someone that you love them without actually saying it?
I guess I would say one thing that comes to mind is I've heard the expression food is love, so like cooking somebody a meal and taking time, and even if it's not like the greatest food they've ever had, I think it's, I don't know, a sign that you care, and somebody else cooks tastes better anyway, so that was one thing I thought of.
I make time for them. I try to find activities or opportunities to spend time together, or simply create one, and I make YouTube videos.
You are the first shoe of my most favorite pair of shoes. That's number 1. Number 2 is you are the chain of the most expensive necklace I have.
You take the best.
You are the numerator of my most favorite rational number. I'm a mathematician.
That was very romantic.
I love that.
Okay, because I'm Chinese, of course, food is super important to me. So I would make the person's favorite foods and make lots of chocolate, especially for them, because everybody loves chocolate, right? So that would be my way of telling them I love them.
เพราะว่าเหมือนแฟนนี่แบบเขาชอบมะม่วงนะคะเวลาไปเจอก็จะเอามาให้เขาแบบเอ็กซ์ตร้าเลยค่ะแล้วก็จะไปวางเซอร์ไพรส์ที่โต๊ะนะคะ
มะม่วงพันธุ์ไหนช่วยบอกหน่อยได้ไหมคะ
จะเอาทุกพันธุ์เลยให้เขาลองค่ะแล้วที่เขาชอบมากที่สุดก็อกร่องละค่ะอกร่องนะคะ
คือวิธีนะคะเราจะต้องรู้ว่าเขาชอบอะไรเราต้องรู้ความลับของเขาบ้างพอถึงวันวาเลนไทน์เนี่ยเราก็แอบเขียนโน้ต
นะคะไว้ใต้หมอน หรือเอาดอกกุหลาบไปซ่อนไว้ที่ใดที่หนึ่งที่เขาแบบชอบไปหาอย่างไปเปิดตู้เย็นอย่างเงี้ยติดโน้ตไว้แต่เราไม่บอกว่ารักเราก็เอาแค่นั้นก็พอแล้วล่ะแล้วเขาก็คงรู้แหละว่าเรารักเขา
Well, you show it through physical contact by touching or by doing activities that the other person really enjoys. Maybe taking to a movie or going out on a picnic. There are many things that you can do. One would be feeding them their favorite cuisine. I like to cook and make food for them. Something that's very special to them that shows them that you really care and to pay attention to them. And then also traveling to somewhere where they really enjoy. That also shows that you love them as well. So those are a few examples that I would use to show somebody I love them without physically telling them.
Yeah.
The way
Emoji. With an emoji. It's another way.
It's another way. Be supportive. That is another way.
An unexpected gift. Something that you know the person likes without it being a reason. Not a birthday. Yeah. We leave little notes on the mirror. I'm teaching you for your wife.
Thank you very much.
So,
but it's an interesting question because sometimes when you see it, just by looking in the eye, you know, and then you tell, I tell you I love you without saying, well, that's a good question. I really like it.
When you want to stay under the blankets because it's cold outside, but you're going to make my coffee first.
Yes.
The little gestures.
Yeah, and when we're sleeping and then we wake up and then I touch like this and then
it's getting a little intimate.
Yeah, but it's like
Thank you guys.
ก็ไม่ขัดใจแล้วก็เขาทำอะไรผิดก็ทำเป็นเฉยๆใช่ป่ะ I would just be a good wife ทำหน้าประหลาดก็คือทำให้เขามีความสุขแค่นั้นเอง Forgive ไม่ทะเลาะ
โอเคขอบคุณค่ะ